Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade, printing, variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully like this. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones. Very nice, beautiful and different ideas, unique style, different designing, mind-blowing pattern and fabulous crocheting work. Handmade knitting pattern. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones, metal work, button-up style, different styles, beautiful stones, ideas, hook style, lock-up style. Mostly girls like crochet jewelry, crochet, beautiful wrist bracelet. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade, printing, variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, and you can wear these crochet bracelet with matching your dress, season and party like college, birthday, uni function, and casual at your home. Because this is very beautiful and lightweight, easy and casual wrist bracelet. Very nice, hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.